Today we are counting down the top 5 LEGO Christmas house building sets, each one packed with charm, detail, and winter wonder. These cozy Christmas builds will brighten your decor, spark your imagination, and bring the holiday spirit right to your tabletop. The product links are in the description below. Now let's get started with the video. Taking the first spot is the Funwhole Christmas Snow House. This beautifully detailed building set captures the magic of a winter holiday getaway, bringing a cozy and festive Christmas atmosphere to life. The entire cabin is surrounded by thick layers of snow covering the roof and ground, while a cheerful snowman scattered snowballs and classic winter tools add a playful charm to the scene. Designed as a true Nordic-style chalet, this Christmas house features a ski lodge theme complete with a reservation sign at the entrance and a large ski resort poster on the side, making it feel like a warm and welcoming retreat hidden in the snowy mountains. The set becomes even more dynamic with its winter ski excitement feature, where minifigures equipped with helmets, skis, poles, and snow boots can glide realistically using a turning knob that mimics real skiing action, adding movement and life to the holiday display. Inside the cabin, a glowing fireplace creates the perfect Christmas gathering spot, surrounded by sofas, a coffee table, board games, a game console, and pizza for a heartwarming winter hangout. The interactive details continue throughout the cabin, including snow that can slide off the roof to extend the ski slope, a hidden rabbit hole with carrots under the snow, and a removable second floor roof that reveals a sneaky squirrel stealing pizza. To complete the festive charm, the set includes an exclusive lighting design featuring 4 sets of string lights and 10 custom lighting points, such as a campfire, lamps, a heater, and ceiling lights. Each warm light glow adds depth and coziness, transforming the snow house into a peaceful Christmas night scene, perfect for display. Next on our list is the Cubimana Gingerbread house building set. This charming 2-story Christmas gingerbread house brings the sweetness of the holiday season to life with its snow-covered roof sprinkled with colorful candies, candy cane columns, cheerful gingerbread men, and beautifully decorated Christmas trees that instantly radiate warmth and festive joy. Designed as a joyful Christmas village centerpiece, this set creates a delightful holiday atmosphere that appeals to kids 8 to 12 and adults who love the magic of Christmas building toys. One of the most impressive features is its 3-in-1 build design, allowing you to create 3 completely different gingerbread house styles without disassembling the entire structure. You simply swap pieces to transform the look, making it both creative and endlessly enjoyable. Each version includes cozy 2-story layouts with snowy texture, vibrant candy details, and playful decorative elements that spark imagination and holiday storytelling. The set becomes even more enchanting with its festive holiday lights that fill the house with a soft and warm glow, mimicking sparkling stars across a snowy winter landscape. When displayed on a table or shelf, the lighting transforms the gingerbread home into a magical Christmas scene, perfect for Christmas Eve or holiday gatherings. As a 2025 special edition, this model is designed to be a cherished keepsake, offering a timeless charm that you can bring out year after year to celebrate the season. From its candy cane pillars to its twinkling lights, every detail captures the spirit of a heartwarming Christmas village. Beautifully packaged and made to inspire creativity, it is a meaningful holiday gift for kids, teens, and adults, encouraging family bonding and joyful moments throughout the festive season. Taking the third spot is the LEGO Main Street building set. This festive and heartwarming build captures the essence of a classic Christmas village with its beautifully detailed holiday main street featuring a charming toy store, a welcoming music shop, cheerful shoppers, hardworking store owners, and their cozy apartments above. The set offers an immersive building experience that brings out the joy of crafting each storefront, window display, and holiday decoration, creating a lively scene that feels straight out of a vintage Christmas postcard. One of these standout elements is the fully decorated streetcar, designed with intricate details and 4 passenger seats, ready to carry minifigures through the bustling holiday street. This streetcar adds wonderful movement and storytelling potential, connecting the entire village as shoppers explore Santa's toys and games in search of surprises, while others step into H. Jolly's music store to discover instruments waiting to make someone's Christmas dreams come true. The magic continues inside the apartments above the shops, where each store owner can unwind after a busy day. The toy store apartment includes a cozy Christmas tree, wrapped presents, and a bed that completes the warm holiday atmosphere, while the music store apartment features a delightful dining area perfect for restful winter evenings. with 6 detailed minifigures, 2 enthusiastic shoppers, a child mailing a letter to Santa, 2 dedicated store owners, and a friendly streetcar driver. The entire scene comes alive with festive charm and storytelling opportunities. From the glowing shop windows to the lively Main Street layout, every detail of this build invites you to create your own holiday moments and expand your Christmas village display with timeless seasonal spirit. At number 4, the GIKCFSTBLA Holiday House building set. This charming Christmas build is inspired by a beloved classic Christmas movie and brings together a heartwarming combination of festive details, nostalgic storytelling, and beautifully crafted design elements. The house features a snow-covered roof, soft, light yellow walls, and a main structure connected to a garage on the right side, capturing the cozy look of a traditional Christmas home. Inside, you'll find playful touches such as a black dog, sledges, and even Clark's iconic car carrying a freshly cut Christmas tree, perfectly recreating the feeling of bringing home holiday cheer. The set is filled with vibrant seasonal decorations including Christmas trees, a cheerful wreath, a festive family dinner scene, a snowman symbolic of winter, and sparkling do-it-yourself Christmas lights that add life to every corner of the display. The playful storytelling continues with a dog pulling Sage's fold of gifts, and Clark driving his classic car to deliver a large pine tree, making the entire model feel like a snapshot from a magical holiday moment. Built with 1,448 pieces of high-quality ABS material, each component is smooth, safe, and easy to assemble, making it an excellent gift for kids, teens, adults, and families. The house measures 15.1 inches by 6.4 inches by 8.4 inches, while the included car adds charm with its compact 4.9-inch length. The illuminating feature enhances the festive spirit even more. Simply plug in the USB connector to light up the house with a warm, cozy glow that enhances Christmas night scenes. Perfect for tabletop displays, entryways, mantelpieces, and dining room decor, this holiday house building set adds a magical, story-rich centerpiece to any Christmas village collection. Taking the 5th spot, the HOGOKIDS 3-style house building set. This delightful Christmas gingerbread house kit offers a warm and joyful holiday experience through its beautifully crafted 2-story cottage design. Covered with soft layers of snow and sprinkled with colorful candy accents, the house features candy cane columns, cheerful gingerbread men, and elegantly decorated Christmas trees that capture the heartwarming charm of classic Christmas traditions. Designed to bring families together, this set allows builders of all ages to enjoy a festive hands-on activity that sparks creativity and holiday cheer. One of its most standout features is the ability to transform into 3 unique gingerbread house styles without requiring a full rebuild. You simply swap pieces to transform the look, making it both creative and endlessly enjoyable. Each version includes cozy 2-story layouts with snowy texture, vibrant candy details, and playful decorative elements that spark imagination and holiday storytelling. The set becomes even more enchanting with its captivating lighting effects that create a warm and inviting glow, making it perfect for Christmas Eve gatherings, seasonal home decor, or festive displays in a holiday village. The soft illumination enhances every detail of the charming cottage, giving it a cozy atmosphere that lights up any room with Christmas spirit. Beyond its visual beauty, the HOGOKIDS gingerbread house also serves as a meaningful holiday keepsake. With its intricate craftsmanship and festive details, it becomes a collectible piece that families can bring out year after year to celebrate the season. From its candy cane pillars to its twinkling lights, every detail captured the spirit of a heartwarming Christmas village. Beautifully packaged and made to inspire creativity, it is a meaningful holiday gift for kids, teens, and adults, encouraging family bonding and joyful moments throughout the festive season.